Good afternoon, Nigerian youths and my fellow Nigerians. This morning, I decided to come for the protests. Then, going to the normal meeting point, which is the Unity Fountain. When I got there, it was unusual because the kind of people I met there, they weren't actually the ENDSARS protestants. At first, getting there, I saw some boys, should I say, all these Hausa boys. Uh, I was surprised because I didn't see the normal things I normally see, like the cars, the people who are well kept, dressed well, ready for the meeting, even with the ambulance and every other thing. So I was curious. I started making inquiries, though on a silent mode, and I had to ask the person, one of the women who sell soft drinks, and I asked her if these were ENDSARS protesters, and she told me to keep quiet. That these guys, they were being brought all the way from Niger State and Nasarawa, that I can see that they are different, and they even had women and other people with them. I was surprised to hear that. So I had to call my friend to make inquiries. Where is the meeting point? Since those guys are different from the main ENDSARS people. So it gave me the information that we are at Eagle Square. So I'm saying this to let all of us know that in case you are going for a protest, please try to identify with the right people, because the right people going for a protest won't be with machetes, won't be with sticks, won't be with weapons. We are peaceful Protestants. Please and please take precautions, and once you notice any unusual thing, try to find your way out of there so that you won't endanger your life. Thank you very much.